Hi, I'm Lou.
And I'm Lexi.
And today we're going to show you our roadside emergency tools. First we have the 6-way screwdriver that can be switched from large to small and from Phillips to regular. Also, it has 2 different nut drivers. Next we have a pair of locking pliers that can be set to different sizes. These are also known as channel locks. Next we have a lock blade that opens up like this and also has a saw right here. Last we have this emergency roadside kit from ThinkWork. Inside it has 2 ponchos, 2 emergency heat blankets, a tire pressure gauge, an emergency road flare, a window breaker and seatbelt cutter, a whistle, a first aid kit, jumper cables, and a 10-foot long tow strap. This LED flare has a lot of different options to get your attention and has a magnet so it'll stick to your car. You get 1 emergency flare in this kit, but you can buy packs of 3 more. We're not going to break our car window right now, but here's how the glass breaker works. We're not going to cut our seat belt, but this is the same stuff and it works like this. To use your tow strap, hook one end under the car like this, and the other end to your towing vehicle like this. And off we go. Thanks for watching. I'll put the links to the products below.